Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Travel Cinema Official. If you are someone who loves adventure and want to explore places that gives you thrilling experiences, then join us in this video as we bring you the top 5 and best treks you must visit in Meghalaya. The order of the trekking compiled in this video is according to the difficulty level of the trek we experienced when we undertook these adventures. At number 5, we have a trek tucked away at the village of Millim, which is just about 20 kilometers, and the journey to this trek called Wat Yang Leng, which is also popularly known as the Bull's Trek, is a drive of about just 1 hour from Shillong. From the parking facility, one has to trek for about 30 to 40 minutes to reach this destination. This piece of scenic grassland also looks like the map of South India. The greenery of this place and the surroundings of the lake and the hills at the backdrop makes this destination absolutely gorgeous. Some even name this place as the Switzerland of Meghalaya.
Today we are at Mountain Khang, beginning our bamboo trek trail from this bamboo bridge built across streams which seem to have dried up. The flow of the stream has created a natural pool which you can see down there, and people are having a great time swimming over it. This trek is also known as the Bamboo Trail Trek, and it is also considered to be one of the most scariest trek of Meghalaya. It is trails like these which makes this trek the most scariest trek of Meghalaya, where the bamboo has been tied on a pillar which runs along the cliff of this mountain. Here we are, guys, at Mountain Khang, which is also known as the King of Stones. This trek can be taken from Wakhan village, which is about 2 kilometers away, and you can also travel to this offbeat destination from Shillong, which is approximately about 50 kilometers. We are at Tirna village now, exploring the world famous double-decker bridge. We need to complete 3,500 steps all the way down to reach the famous double-decker bridge. Let's get started.
The double-decker route bridge is a fascinating and unique living structure grown of rubber trees that can support the weight of dozens of people. Located at Nongriat, which is 12 kilometers from Sora and around 60 kilometers away from Shillong, this place is a world-famous tourist destination.
This stretch is a very steep climb. I'm sure we'll make this in another 15 minutes. So we have almost come to the end of our trek from double-decker route bridge to Tirna village. It took us almost 3.5 hours to complete this trek to and fro. We will be exploring the top of Nok Kalikai Falls, which is known in the local language as Kle Kshat Nok Kalikai. We have to trek down this place for about 30 minutes to reach our destination. So come, let's explore.
trek to the top of Nokkalikai Falls or the Lakeside Nokkalikai was in fact a 45 to 1 hour trek. It is usually recommended to take this trek during the months of November to April. Though the duration of the trek was just about less than an hour, but the terrain was challenging and very difficult. The trek we undertook were through steep wooden steps and big rocks. The paths were narrow and really steep. We really experienced an extreme adventure while taking this trek.
You must take this adventurous trek for yourself to get this thrilling experience. Today we are starting our day from this beautiful location. Today we are traveling to Sokmi, which is situated on a hilltop of Sora. This destination is perfect for trekking and hiking. Finally, we reached the end of the road. There are vehicles parked around this place. There are two ways. Without the milestone, it would have been impossible for us to know where the trek starts from. We will be exploring this place right now, which is about 1 kilometer away from here.
At number 1, we have this trek starting from Kutmadan to the village of Sokmi and then towards the Walingam or the Green River. This trek is a long and hard trek that one has to take. Though the trek is one of the most difficult in Meghalaya, but once you reach the Green River, you will be amazed and awestruck by its beauty and you will feel worth it to have completed the trek.
Finally, we made it. This is definitely the most difficult trek in Meghalaya. So that's all, friends, in this video for today. See you soon in our next episode. Thanks for watching.